Hello everyone, this is Miss Darlene coming to you from Edna W Tutorial Center. This week we're going to have so much fun doing milk art. This is our first week doing this. It's different, but we're going to have fun. So today we're going to do milk art using household items such as milk, food coloring, and dish detergent. We're going to see what happens when all these things come together. Today is surface tension. This is what happens when we're going to add the food coloring. It holds together. So surface tension means it holds together. So we're going to see what happens. I'm going to pour my milk. Doesn't have in my tray. Okay, I think that's enough. Then the next thing I'm going to do, use my food coloring, different food colorings. 10. Now I'm just let it sit still for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Making sure it's still. The next thing I'm going to do is going to add food coloring. This is red. Add a couple of drops of red. Nothing's happening yet. Then I'm going to add some blue. Doesn't matter how much you use because something's going to happen. We'll see. Add some yellow. And then I'm going to add my green. Next thing I'm going to do is take my cotton swab, dip it in my dish liquid. Boys and girls, you can do this at home, but make sure you ask your parents. You can use whole milk, you can use maybe chocolate milk. Try something different and let us know. The key word today is surface tension. It was holding the food coloring together. When we add the
dish soap.
the dish soap, that makes it separate. Just remember, this is nice. It looks delicious, but please don't drink it.